This is very important to use here. This is our AI writing tool. So we talked about confidence in the beginning. What we got to know what we want to say, correct? So why not come in here and use our tool? Scroll through here. You have a ton of tasks you can choose from. You select the task. You come over here. You could select an industry that you're in. And we find that the more detailed the question, the better. Like, what are the top 5 ways to be confident on camera? Just as a question, okay? And then I can do my tones. Hey, I want to be friendly. I'm going to do a little humorous here. I'm going to be informative, and I also want to be persuasive. And then I can choose the length here of the words, and then hit submit. And then you'll get a little answer that the AI will kick back to you down at the bottom here when it comes up. And then we have it listed out here. We've got practice, 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 right? We mentioned that. Dress to impress, depending on the audience. Smile, that's a huge one. Be prepared, embrace your quirks, originality, authenticity, stuff we talk about all the time. And then you'll have the ability to save this right to your scripts. And guess what? You put it right in your teleprompter and it's ready to go.